Najihah.
And I'm Elisa. So how's your PKP? We hope that you guys are doing great and stay healthy.
So in this video, we want to show you guys how to capture a beautiful and stunning video using an iPhone. So let's take a look.
You can get some amazing shots with the iPhone's built-in slow-mo. In the camera setting, you can choose to shoot 120 frames per second at 1080p resolution or 240 frames per second at a reduced resolution of 720p. Time-lapse are a cool way to showcase a bustling work environment or event.
This iPhone have a built-in optical image stabilization, which makes shooting decent handheld footage very easy. iPhone will automatically focus and exposure content throughout your shoot. On your camera setting, open the grid function and you can capture video with efficiency and center on your object. During this PKP, if you wanted to purchase any Apple products, you can purchase it through our website machine.com.my or using Machine official store on Shopee or Lazada apps.
Machines Online now offer 3 months installment for all banks with maximum spending of 6,000 ringgit with Atomy app.
This is from us. We hope that the information we give in this video will be benefit for you to use on your daily life.
Yeah.
Stay at home and be safe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.